How to use Codefolding feature of Notepad++ for normal text documents. When I open an reg file in Notepad++ file in Notepad++, I see the amazing functionality to minimize and maximize the subkeys of a base key by clicking on that little arrow on the left. Can I get this functionality in normal documents? I want to create different categories for X, topic 1, topic 2, etc., which I can maximize and minimize.
You can define your own syntax highlighting and code folding rules by defining a user language. Click Language, define your language ... to open the user-defined language dialog. This dialog gives options for many levels of customization. In your case, you could add the word topic to the folding in code 1 style open list.
Basically, view user-defined dialog. Create new. I call it text, set the extension to .text. In folder and default pane, set the open and close options. I use and respectively. Then from the view menu, use the fold, collapse options. More details in this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.